Of course, ayan ang mata kasi naman yan. Mo na yun ang pinakagwapo sa iyo mga mata. Niya ha? Bana. Ay, katawin po ninyo dihan. Girls man. Okay. And because we feel that love that you both have for each other. Ni Irma. Anak na, okay. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for the parents. This is the time, ladies and gentlemen, that our couple honors their parents for years of care and sacrifice. Hold them, let's give them a round of applause. Praise the Lord. Okay, so please come your parents. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a round of applause to Mama Dora and Tata Iskoy. Thank you so much. All right, now.